What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you haven't looked up my 4K in-depth review on the Air Jordan 4 Thunders, go check it out. Dope video. But today I double back to show y'all a Hatter style. Yes, sir. So in this video, I'm going to put together some fire pieces to match the Thunder joints. You know, yellow and black, you always just think of Wu-Tang off the top of your head. Pirates, Pittsburgh Steelers, Penguins, that's the hockey team. That's stuff we all know, right? You know I got to go Lakers a little bit, right? Hit the B-roll. So like I said in the beginning of the video, Pittsburgh Steelers, the Pirates, and the Penguins. That's something we just know off the gate. So we're going to go a little different. Let's start with streetwear. Yes, sir. This is a new Nocta Nike tee. Nocta's Drake's collab with Nike. And I thought about it because not only does the front say two things I'll always be, honest, and then some Nikes. Nocta is known for that gold, yellow, same color as the Thunder joint. So you see the back logo there, the Nocta logo there. So it complements the yellow and black without doing too much. And it says Nike on the shirt, and it's a Nike shirt. Also on the bottom, more yellow and black joints there, as you can see. So that's why it's a dope match. And it's very affordable. $50, and it didn't sell out. I actually saw prices of these for $30 on StockX. So check it out. Drake, Nocta, Nike tee. I told y'all it's going to be a lot of Lakers stuff, man. But this jersey here, the Black Mamba Laker jerseys that they won the championship in the bubble with, is the perfect match. Of course, I got the tags on it. Y'all know I'm not wearing nothing Kobe anymore. RIP to the Mamba, man. But the black scales on the jersey, along with the yellow accents, is a perfect match for the Jordan 4 Thunders. I can read y'all the retail price, $85, but there's no way you're getting it for this. I saw prices as much as $700 on StockX. OD. RIP code. And of course, you can find an essential sweatsuit to do it with. Only thing I see really going with that Thunder joint is the black and the essentials. I did look at the, what's that, coral yellow I got? Canary yellow. The canary yellow is too light to go with that yellow and black. But a black pair of essential sweatsuits work perfect. And like I said, besides those sports teams I mentioned, you cannot do yellow and black without the wool, man. This Wu-Tang jacket here is so dope. It's satin and it's affordable. I actually got this from Forever 21 a couple of months ago. And in the back reads cash rules everything around me. Super dope. Wu-Tang logo on the front. If you can't find it at Forever 21, just check. There's so many stores that collabs with Wu-Tang. From Shoe Palace to H&M, Forever 21. Just type in Wu Wear, Wu-Tang, something yellow or black will pop up. I just feel like this one is super dope and it matches perfect. Back to the Lakers, man. I hope we get to the finals. But mixing it up with some Bape, well, Ape is the Lakers Ape collab. The yellow is right on, perfect match. It's just no black in here, but well, you do have black from the Bathing Nate shoot. What you call these things? The hoodie strings are black, but predominantly a yellow hoodie, purple, right? And I think I paid like $250 for this. I did not check the resale for this, but just look up Ape, not Bape. Ape, A-A-P-E, is still Bape. But I guess that's like another brand they doing. It's Ape by Bathing Nate. Just look up Lakers and Bape, and this will pop up for sure. And staying Bape and staying Lakers, it's just a regular Bape, Laker T, Mitchell and Ness. Another dope match, man. Going off of the Steelers and the Penguins, just trying something different. This here is the Blue the Great Nod the Kobe shirt. Y'all probably know Blue the Great from the Jordan 1 mids a couple of years ago, the colorful joints. But he's an artist out of LA, so it's only right he did something for Kobe too. The shirt in the front, just a nod to Kobe. It says his name, the year he was born, the year he died. But the back is where he put his stamp on it. Super dope. And I think it's a perfect match with them Thunders. Another Kobe T and we out of here, man. This is the Kobe T Nike. So you know the black color codes match. The yellow is a little more golden, but when you get to the side is where you get that real yellow. But yeah, this is the Kobe T that was showing all his injuries and also his 5 rings. I seen this go for as much as $300 on eBay. You know people are taxing, but I think it's a perfect match. This Murakami Laker hoodie I showed in the B-roll, I don't really like. Well, I do, but I feel like the pink and the purple and the blue throws it off a little bit. But it is predominantly a black hoodie with the Laker logo and the Murakami colors. But the yellow is the border, so I kind of like it. Hats. Yes, sir. Like I told y'all, the Pirates is a dope match. But this one right here is a flip on the pirate. As you can see, the P is upside down. Super dope. That's been happening lately. If you even look at my hat, it's the upside down logo. That's becoming a popular thing. But this is from my people at, I'm trying to remember their name, Brim the World. Brim the World. Shout them out, man. Their company, I think they're in LA. They're on the come up. But the flip up P hat is a super dope match. But if you got a regular pirate hat too, it matches perfect. Black, yellow, Wu-Tang, Wiz Khalifa, you know. It's always going to come back to LA. It's always going to come back to my Lakers. But this is a Dodgers hat, Dodgers logo, Laker colors. But the match is perfect up top. Again, black on the yellow. The back says Los Angeles in that yellow. So it's a dope match. This is also a dope match too, but I feel like I showed y'all too much Laker gear. But this is a LeBron Laker King joint. Yes, sir. So that been a how to style on the Jordan 4 Thunders. Again, I know Pittsburgh Steelers gear go hard. The Pirate gear go hard. The Penguin gear go hard. I just wanted to show y'all a little different look on it. You know what I mean? My way, Laker fan here. So hit me in the comment section below if you need pricing with anything, sizing, or just securing it, period. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.